In this video, we shall complete questions on addition and subtraction on complex numbers. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Solution. The first here is number 1. We are asked to find the addition of Z1 plus Z2, which is Z1 we have 4 plus I plus Z2 we have 3 plus 7I, which is equal to, if we open the bracket, we have 4 plus I plus 3 plus 7I. So if we come over here, our Z1 plus Z2 will be equal to, we take the real part, which is 4 plus 3 plus I plus 7I, which is equal to 7 plus I plus 7I is 8I. So this becomes our answer for Z1 plus Z2. Number 2, we are asked to find Z3 minus Z1. So Z3 minus Z1. What we have to do first is to write out the given numbers. So the Z3 is negative 8 plus 2I, and Z1 is 4 plus I. The next thing to do is to open the bracket. So opening the bracket, we have negative 8 plus 2I minus 4 minus 1. The real parts are negative 8, negative 4 plus 2I minus I. So we have negative 8, negative 4 will give us negative 12. 2I minus 1 will give us just I. So this is the solution for Z3 minus Z1. So this is how we can obtain Z3 minus Z1. The last of this here is number 3. We are asked to find 2 multiply Z2 minus 3 multiplied by Z3, which is equal to, we bring down 2 and open the bracket. What is our Z2? Our Z2 is 3 plus 7I. 3 plus 7I. 3 plus 7I. Then we bring down our negative sign. Put down our negative sign. We have 3 here already. 3 into, what is Z3? Z3 is negative 8 plus 2I. So we put it inside the bracket, negative 8 plus 2I. So the next thing to do here is to multiply this and open the bracket, which is 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, 2 multiplied by 7I is plus 14I. We bring down our sign. Negative 3 multiplied by negative 8 will give us negative 24. Negative 24. Negative 3 multiplied by 2I will give us negative 6I. So we bring down the real parts together, which is 6. Okay, negative 3 multiplied by negative 8 is plus 24. Positive 24. And negative 3 multiplied by positive 2I is negative 6I. So we have 6 plus 24 for the real part. And the imaginary part we have plus 14I minus 6I. Of course, 6 plus 24 is 30. And 14 minus 6 for the imaginary part will give us 8. Will give us plus 8i. So this is how we can compute the complex numbers for addition and subtraction of complex numbers. So for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.